Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 69 C10 4x4. We did the restoration on it. My body shop did the body on it. Motor was done by the previous owner. We did a lot of the other mechanicals. Put the fuel injection, put the AC in it. Then also any other little stuff been done to it, as you can see on all the receipts. Not a lot of bad spots to show you on the paint. Got one spot right here that got scratched a little bit in storage, but that's about it. Ain't got a lot to show you. Here's your sniper gauges, classic air, new style radio. It's got insulation on the floor, new carpet, new seat. I did leave the original bezel just because of the fit and finish of a Chinese one compared to the original ones. I know they're faded, they don't look as nice, but hey, they're real. They're the real GM ones. Same with the door panels. I stayed with the original door panels. They're not perfect, a couple bad spots, but the nice thing is they are the original ones. And there's your new wood bed. This one, previous owner had a roll pan on it, so I just left it that way. It's just missing one thing right here, so that doesn't fit perfect. That's about the only fit finish that isn't good. Has new window all the way, the weather stripping, new door weather stripping. I mean, you can see a parts list. We try to fix them right. We don't skimp on them. So quality paint. This show quality truck. You can show this truck. Aftermarket hood. So just a really nice short box 4-wheel drive. So any questions? 605-695-7391.